Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Dan noodles with tofu. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making Dan noodles with tofu, so let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got 8 ounces of wheat noodles. You can use spaghetti or Chinese noodles. For the sauce, we've got 2 tablespoons of Chinese sesame paste, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of chili oil, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 to 2 garlic cloves that we've minced up, 1 inch of ginger that we've cleaned and minced. And then for the tofu, we've got a block of firm tofu that we've chopped up here. We got 2 tablespoons of olive oil, we got 2 green onions that we've chopped up, and 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns. So you can find this recipe link down in the description box. Let's start making our sauce for this. Alright, sauce is pretty easy. Just take your soy sauce, Chinese sesame paste, the honey, rice wine vinegar, your garlic, ginger, and the chili oil. Mix this all up, and you just bring it over to the stove with you, and we'll start cooking the tofu. Alright, we got our mies back there. Got the tofu, the sauce we just made, and then the oil, peppercorns, and the green onions. Let's go ahead and focus on our pan here, and we'll start cooking. Alright, turn the heat up to a medium high. Put your oil in, let that get hot. Alright, oil's hot. Turn it this way. Get oil all over the pan. We're just going to take our tofu, and we're going to set it right in there. Let it start to brown on all sides as best we can. We don't need to flip over each one, but we can certainly do our best to get everything browned up and cooked. You can see here how it's getting some color on it now. So I'm just going to continue to cook it until we get a nice color crust on everything. Alright, we see here we got some nice color on everything. So I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit. We'll throw our green onions in here and our peppercorns. And we're going to perfume that pan a little bit. Season up the tofu. Before we add our sauce, I'm going to go ahead and mix it up one more time. Oh, it smells fantastic. Sauce is in there. I'm going to go ahead and add our noodles. Stir those in. Alright. I'm going to put the lid on that. Let it get hot. Get heated all the way throughout. Then we're going to plate this up, and we're going to take some pictures of it, and we're going to give it a taste. Don't go away. Some beautiful pictures there. Delicious food. Smells fantastic. Let's give it a taste. You already saw from the one bite shot that I showed there. I'll just take that one. A little bit of the noodles and the tofu. Very delicate sauce. Got a little bit of a hint of a little bit of heat in there. So of course peppercorns. But it lets the noodles be the star of the show. The tofu takes a nice second seat to it. Now if you cook that tofu on each side, you get it nice and crisp. Then it holds the flavor better. And it doesn't give that gooey texture that a lot of people don't like when it comes to tofu. This gives it more of a meat flavor or a meat texture. And it holds on to the flavor too. This is really good. I topped it off with some more green onions and some crushed peanuts. You can throw some cilantro in here if you want as well. But here we go. I better stop eating this and close the show out. Great recipe, Dan Noodles with tofu. Link is in the bottom down below there in the description box. Go ahead and check that out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.